Right. Good morning, everyone. So what we are discussing last class? Scanner. How many programs we have learned as part of scanner? 3. What the first program? Reading integers or reading numbers. First program is reading numbers. Second program is reading string. Second program reading string. And third program is reading number and string combination. Okay. Did you face any problem in reading numbers? No. Did you face any problem in reading string? Yes, sir. Next and next line. Next method read only one word, first word. Next line method cannot read, next line method can read complete line. So if you want to read only one word, I have to use a string. If you want to read complete word, you have to use next line. Point is clear? Now, what is the functionality of next? Any of the next XXX methods means next int, any of the next XX method, next int, next long, next float, next double. Okay, all seven next XXX methods and next method, what they will do? Reads data only. Okay, reads data only up to what? Up to either space, up to space or up to new line character. New line character means enter key character. Okay, for example, now I am giving here 101 following by enter key. Okay, now 101 following by enter key. What it will read? Only 101 and ignore enter key. Any doubt in this point? In the scanner object still you have? In scanner object still you have enter key characters. Okay. If I write Hari enter key, Hari enter key, then what happened? Tell me now. Now next method will read only Hari. Okay, read only Hari. It ignores enter key. In the scanner object, still you have come on, still you have enter key characters. Okay, now I want to ask a question. Tell me now. Everyone should answer. If I call like this, is the program execution passed or not? Next XX method, first I call. Suppose I am calling next int method. Everyone should answer. SCN dot next int, first I call. I'm calling next int method again. First time when I call, I entered 101. Okay. And what is there? Enter key character. What it returned to our program? 101. Still we have enter key characters in the scanner object. When I call next int method second time, will it pass the program or read that enter key character? What is the purpose of next int method? Next int method purpose is what? Reading line, reading line, read into value. What is there in the scanner object? In the scanner object, still we have enter key. Will this next int method will read that enter key characters and go to the next line? No. It is meant for what, buddy? Reading line, read into value. Read into value. So what it will do? Ignores enter key and passes program. Okay, let me show you that. Read multiple numbers. Already you learned, forgot, Gajanish, na? Let me show you one more time, no problem. Today, let me give clarity. Yesterday, many people have confused. So that's why I quickly want to take this clarity one more time. Java dot util dot scanner. Then here create scanner scn equal to new scanner of system dot in. Then I have to ask the user printing message, enter numbers. Enter numbers. Now system dot out dot println. I am reading scn dot next in. How many numbers you are entering? Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, your wish. So scn dot next in. One more next in. One more next in. How many times I call next in method? 3 times. It is meant for reading one integer. It is meant for reading one more integer. It is meant for reading one more integer. Tell me, when you call scn dot next int method, first it is looking into scanner object. In scanner object, data available or not available? Not available. Then program execution is paused. Now cursor is blinking here, tikku blinking. Okay. Then what you have to do? Enter the data. I enter data 10. Only 10. Enter key also. No. Enter key. Then now next int method reads. Bolo 10 and leaving enter key characters in scanner object. Are you seeing circle? This data is available wherein? Scanner object. In scanner object we have 10. Reading 10 and leaving this enter key characters in the scanner object. Okay na? Now what? Then control go to next int method. What next int method will do now? Do you have data in the scanner object? No. Again program execution is paused. Program execution is paused. Cursor blinking. Then I have entered 20 enter key. Then now next int method reads what value? 20. Is that enter key reading or ignoring? Ignoring. It is there in the scanner object. Now by the time you are calling next int method in the scanner object, do you have any characters? Hey, how many times I should tell, man? In the scanner object, do you have any characters? Yes. What characters? Enter key characters are there. Then next int method look at that enter key characters and start reading it. No. What it will do? Ignore. Removes that. It removes that enter key characters and pass the program execution. Pass the program execution. Then what you entered? 30. 30 again you are placing what? Enter key characters. 30 enter key character. Then tell me. Now next int method reads what? 30. And leaving that enter key characters in scanner object. Okay na? Now I am calling here next method. What it will do? Will it consider these enter key characters or ignore? Meer sache gajni ra babu. Next method meant for reading line data na. ఒరే మెథడ్ చెప్తుంది కదరా, నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఉన్న ఓడిని రీడ్ చేయడానికి మాత్రమే ఉపయోగపడతాను, ఇంక దేనికి ఉపయోగపడను. అది చెప్తుంది కదా, నేను ఇంట్ రీడ్ చేస్తా, మిగతాది ఏమి నేను రీడ్ చేయను. నేను ఓడిని మాత్రం రీడ్ చేస్తా, మిగతాదా నాకు సంబంధం లేదు, ఉంటే నేను ఇగ్నోర్ చేస్తా. అది క్లియర్గా చెప్తున్నాయి కదరా. హిందీ పీపుల్ ఏ క్యా బోల్ రహా హై? మే इंट रीड कर सकते, अदर डेटा अलग डेटा मेरे को नहीं रीड कर सकते. ओ एंटर की कैरेक्टर्स है तो मैं इग्नोर करता हूं. ओके, पास करता हूं एंड रीडिंग नंबर है. ओके ना? ఏమరా మీ జీవితం ఇంత సింపుల్ పాయింట్ కాంప్లెక్స్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఇట్ ఇట్సెల్ఫ్ ఈస్ టెలింగ్ ఐ యామ్ మెంట్ ఫర్ రీడింగ్ ఓన్లీ ఇంట్ వాల్యూ. ఇఫ్ ఇంట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఐ విల్ రీడ్. ఎంటర్ కీ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఇగ్నోర్. I will ignore it and pass the program. Next method meant for mala maatadagu, silent kucho. Next method is meant for reading line word. What is there in the program? Line. Is this enter key characters are representing any word or line? Line. Is it meant for reading line or word? Word is there or not there? Not there. Then it will read that line and ignore or pass the program. It will enter key characters, it will remove and feeling no data there, pass the program. Okay, na? Good job. Next line method meant for reading line. How it know line or no line? Enter key character. Enter key characters are there or not? Yes. Enter key characters are there. Before enter key character, any data available or not available? Not available. Oh, this programmer wanted to give empty line, empty data. Feeling this programmer want to give empty data, then it is reading that enter key characters, return empty string and continue. Program execution passed or not passed? Not passed. Let me show you all the points. Control 1, compile. Everyone should speak. Control 2. Tell me, why cursor is passed? Because of which method call? Next int. Now enter 101. Going no. Press enter key. When I press enter key here, what is also added? Enter key characters. How many data is going into scanner object? Hey, totally 4 characters. 101 enter key. 101 enter key came to scanner object. Then next scanner object, inside scanner object, what I require to read only? Int value. Int value. This is a int value or not? Yes. Reading 101, return to our program, printed. Tell me, in scanner object, do you have still characters? Yes, sir. What characters? Are you able to see? Still we have enter key characters. But program execution is passed or not passed? Passed. Why passed? Because next what method you have to call? Read line or read int. In the scanner object, int is there or not there? Not there. Because int is not there, then existing enter key characters are ignored and then pass the program. Okay, na? Then tell me. Now I am entering 102. Only 102 na enter key characters also. Then 102 enter key characters are going into scanner object. Now in the scanner object, next int method should read complete data na up to the enter key character. Up to the before enter key character reading, returning and leaving the enter key characters in the scanner object. Can you see scanner object? Inside scanner object, enter key characters are available. Yes. Then next line, what you are calling? Next int. Next int method purpose is what? Reading int. In the scanner object, int value, there? Not there? Not there. What is there? Enter key characters. Enter key characters meant for data na line. Line. This method meant for reading line na data na data. Data there? Not there? Not there. Now what it will do? Pass. At least now are you coming? Still confusion? Confusion? Okay. Confusion means I will leave it. It's not required for learning. Okay, na? Confusion, na? Okay, leave it. Confusion means we can leave it, no problem. Okay, na? So, how to read int value? Tell me, buddy. How to read int value? Next int method. Adi ardhamainda? Are babu ninne adugutunnara? Enakala erasokka pakkana. నువ్వే కదరా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అని చెప్పావు, మళ్ళీ వాడిని విని చూస్తాను తెలియనా? నువ్వు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యా అని చెప్పావు కదా, నిన్నే అడుగుతున్నా. ఇంటీజర్ నంబర్ రీడ్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా రీడ్ చేస్తావు? నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ యూజ్ చేస్తావా? ఓకే, ఒక లైన్ రీడ్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా రీడ్ చేస్తావు? నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. ఒక వర్డ్ రీడ్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా రీడ్ చేస్తావు? ఓన్లీ నెక్స్ట్. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, చాలు. ఇంకా ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసుకోండి. రైట్. Develop a program develop a program to read develop a program to read develop a program to read a student values from keyboard dynamically. Develop a program to read a student values from keyboard dynamically. What values you have to read? You must read You must read student number, student name, student number, student name, fee, email, mobile, gender, study. Studying completed. Study completed. What is the meaning of studying completed? Studying completed? Yes, true. No, false. Tell me, yes and O, what type? Yes name, what type? P, what type? Email? Mobile? Wonderful. Gender? Male, female, right? M, F, what? Character. Studying? Boolean. Okay, now tell me. I want read S and O. Which method I have to use? Yes name. Next line. Next line. Because name contains space na. Here course also. Sorry, I forgot. Course also. S name, SNO, S name. S name you are reading by using next method or next line method. Tell me. You are calling next line method after next method. If you call next line method after next method, program execution paused or not paused? Not paused. Then what I have to do? I have to call 2 times. Okay, na? Don't understand. Accept it. How many times I have to call? 2 times. 2 times I have to call. First time I have to assign to the variable as a single statement. Single statement. Call as a single statement. And then second time call and assign to S name variable. Course. String. Next line. Next line. Should I call now next line 2 times or 1 time? 1 time. Because previously you have to call next method or next line method. Next line. Next line method leaving the entry key characters are completely reading. Completely reading. So SNO you have to call 2 next methods. Next int and following by next line. S name next line. Course next line. Fee next double. Fee is next double. Email next line. Email is a string. Email is a string. I should use next line or next. In email, do you have space? When there is no space, why next line required? Next is sufficient. Mobile, long, next long. Gender, next char is there or not there? Not there. When there is no next char method, how can I call? We have to learn. That I will learn. Next, Boolean, studying completed. Next, Boolean. Okay, next. Right, continuation question. Read above values and store in student instance variables. I don't want to store in a local variable, Adhyaksha. Like int a equal to int b equal to no. Where you have to store? Student. Store in student instance variables. Next step. Read and display. Read and display above values from this student instance. This question. Rastara? Copy chestara? Will you write or copy? If you want to copy, I will type. If you want to write, I'll give time. What do you want? Copy? You only alone write? Together we will write. Together? Okay, tell me. First, how many classes I have to develop in this project? 2 classes. First one is student class. Second one is college class. Write down. In this project, we must develop 2 classes in 2 Java files. First one, student.java. Second one, college.java. కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ అర్థం కాకపోయినా ఏం కాదు, ఓకేనా? డోంట్ వరీ, యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ఇట్. వెన్ సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్, just accept and leave it. Going on, definitely you will understand. There is no rule that everything should understand today. Some points understand today, some points understand tomorrow, some points understand end of the course. Okay, na? Don't worry. Class name wrong. Where? Oh, here, a Java file. I will change it. Don't worry. First of what I should write? Student.java class student. Inside class student, how many variables I have to create? Copy, paste. First variable int, second variable string. Third variable course string, fourth variable double fee and string email long mobile char gender boolean studying. Completed తీసేద్దామా? Let me make it simple. Study, yes, true. Make sure all variables are in one vertical line. Save this Java file with what name? Student.java. Already there, replace. దీంట్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. Any doubts you have in this code? Don't hesitate to ask questions, okay? Online students, any doubts in this code? Are all data types we have used? Primitive types? From integer data type, we have two primitive types always we will use. Int and long, covered. Next, from the floating point, one data type will use double, covered, and boolean, covered, and string. And user defined class, student, covered. Okay, na? All data types are covered. Next, now I need user class. Where student is available? College. Write down college.java. College.java. Tell me, in this college class, what is the logic you want to develop? You should have an idea first. In this class, I wanted to develop logic to create student class object and read values from the keyboard, store values in the student object. Correct? 3 steps. Create student object. To create student object, do I need any import statement? Why? Student class is available in the same package. Next, second step. Read values from the keyboard. To read values from the keyboard, which class I have to use? Scanner class. Is the scanner class available in our project? No, it is available in another package. So what should I do now? Add import java.util.scan. Adi top of mind raval neeku, okay? You have to get that mind. What code I am writing in this college class? Scanner I am using. Then add import statement. Write down what you are seeing. What next? In the class, I have to create first student object or scanner object. Scanner object. Connect to keyboard. Connect to keyboard. How to connect to keyboard? Scanner SCN equal to new scanner of system.in. What next? Scanner ready. I want read data and store in local variable or in student object. Then what I have to create? Student object. Creating student object or instance, anything is okay. You can call it as object or instance. There's no much problem. Student S1 equal to new student. Wow, super. Student S1 equal to new student. Yeah, any order you can write, no problem. You can create scanner first or student object first. There is no rule that this order only you have to follow. Okay. Next, reading values from keyboard and storing in where? Student object S1. Directly we read a prompt message. Prompt message. What is the first message I want to prompt? Enter student number /t. Then after reading where I want to store in S1. So what I should write? S1 dot SNO. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you watching? Why are you watching? You are checking how am I writing right or wrong? You are testing me. And then write down here. Write along with me. Don't watch what I am typing. You write and tell me, I will type. What next? You write and tell me. S1 dot SNO equals to what, right? SCN dot next in based on the data type. That's all. Int value reading and storing. What is the problem with the next int method? Is it making scanner object empty or leaving the enter characters there? Then next method you have to check na. Is it considering the new line characters? First you remove them. So you have to write here SCN dot next line. What is the purpose of this? It is meant for reading data 101. It is meant for reading line and making the scanner object empty. Okay. What is stored inside SNO variable? Enter characters or 101? 101. I have written in the same line. I have written this statement the same line, not to have confusion next line. That's it. But here the point is, you are not going to store this SCN dot next line return value anywhere. Just you are ignoring. Okay, na? Or else write in the next line and you can write the comment, your wish. Here, reading enter characters and making scanner object empty for everyone tell me, for passing program in the next line. For passing program for the, how to say, next line, for further next line call. Okay, for the further next line method call. Now what do you do now? S1 dot S name equals to, come on, what I should write? SC, 1 minute, you have to prompt message, na? System dot out dot print of double quotes, enter name. Enter name. Then SCN dot next line. Simple 1 point, remember? If you call next line method, after any of the next methods, I should call how many times? 2 times. This is for reading enter characters coming from the previous line, previous value. Coming from previous value. Now next tell me. System dot out dot print of double quotes. What do you write now? Enter course. Tell me, do I need to call next line method 2 times? No. Already scanner object is empty. Next line. Next enter fee. Next double. And here course place what you write? Fee. System dot out dot print of double quotes, enter email. Email S1 dot email. Very important. You can call email either by using next line or next. Come on, everyone tell me. If I use a next line method, what should I do? Here I should call next line. 2 times I should call next line. Here I should call next line, then this second next line I have to assign here. Okay, na? Right. So I can use next method so that I can avoid writing extra next call because there is no space. No space in email. Add that comment side for your better understanding. The next system dot out dot println of print of double quotes. What do you write? Enter mobile. S1 dot mobile equals to what do you write? SCN dot Amma? Course is not there. There na? Next law. Online students, are everyone understanding? Any line you have doubt, please ask. Are you copying or writing yourself? Don't be a copycat. Line 34. What is your doubt? Lakshmi. What is the email? Java HariKrishna @gmail.com, right? Do you have any space? Can you write space in the email? Do you know that? Lakshmi. In an email string, there will not be space. You cannot create email with a space. That's why next is sufficient because only one word. This is all considered as one word. Because there is no space, it is considered as one word. To read one word, next is sufficient. Next. System dot out dot print of come on. What I should ask? Enter gender in bracket M or F, male or female. Now tell me, he will enter either M or F. You have to read any data from the keyboard as what? String. Tell me, this MRF is a line or just one word? One word. SCN dot next. Listen. New point. Everyone, देखो इधर. This is string object. String object contain internally what? Value variable. Remember? This value variable. This is string class object. This value variable internally pointing to char array object, isn't it? And tell me. Now this char array object implicitly contain locations, char type locations. How many locations will be there based on the data you are entering? How many characters you are entering from the keyboard? One character. Then how many locations will be there? One location, 0 index location. There, M is stored as a string or character. Now, listen. This next method is pointing to, okay, I will write a simple code, then I will show you the complex code. Look at here. String S1 equal to SCN dot next method I have called. What is the data you entered from the keyboard? M. Now this M reading by next method as a string object and written to our program stored inside which variable? Yes. Any doubts? Babu Nana, అర్థమైంది point? అందరికి అర్థమైందా? ఇది ఇగ్నోర్ చేయలేం రోయ్. We cannot ignore if you don't understand. I'll explain again. Understand the point? Online students? This is a string object. This is already VLN. From the keyboard, we read the keyword M. I read the character what? M. M is coming into the Java program as what object? String object, double quotes M. What is the memory structure of the string object we discussed in the data type chapter? String class object is created with internally value variable. Inside char array object is created. Its reference is 1010. Its reference is 2020. 2020 is stored here and 1010 is stored here. This is string object structure. This is already known point only, na? Data type chapter forgot? Go back and watch, okay? Go back and go to the previous notes and read. What I want to do? You want to print or you want to retriever? In the next line, you want to print this M or retrieve this M? Retrieve. For retrieve purpose, I have to go to the string object, na? Tell me, how to go to string object? S1 dot. Correct? S1 dot. How can I read anything available in the class? By using dot. S1 dot. Observe, very, very important point. If you want to call any data available inside a predefined class, if you want to read data available in the predefined class, I have to use methods. What should I use? Methods. In a string class, I have one predefined method called char add. What is the name of the method? Everyone tell me. In our addition class, we have one method called add. Na? To execute that add method, to perform addition operation, we call add method. Similarly, inside a string class, we have one predefined method called what? Char add. This method functionality is retrieve the characters available in the string object. Tell me again, what the functionality? Retrieve the characters available in the string object. How many characters available in the string object? 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 100. Which character I want to retrieve? M. M is available in which index? 0. Then in the parenthesis, I have to write 0. Understand? Then what this method will do? This method will go to S1 object. Coming to S1 object. Will go to 0 index. Go to 0 index. In 0 index, what character available? M. It returns that M. Return to our program. Take into CH. Understand? Let me show you this as a separate program so that you will understand. Alt Fn I. Java class read character. Observe now. Inside main method, I am creating string S1 equals to double quotes ABC. I want read character A. Then tell me what I should write. Tell me. Char ch1 equal to s1 dot char at of A character travel in which index? 0. Print ch1 plus ch. Control F11. Hey. Control 1. Compile. Control 2. Look at the A coming up. Who is returning that A? Caret method. From which object? S1. Which index number? 0. Tell me the memory diagram of this object. This is S1 variable. This is string object. String object contain the indexa or char array contain indexa? This is value variable 1010. This is char array object. Reference is 2020. Contains 3 characters 0, 1, 2. First character is single quote A. Second character single quote B. Third character single quote C. 2020 stored in value pointing. 1010 stored in S1 point. Understood? Now, what is the functionality of caret method? Caret method, go to S1 object, 0 location. S1 object, 0 location. Return that character to my program and store it in CH. So what is coming out? Single quote A. Online students, understood? Still anyone have doubt? No doubt means say no doubt. Don't say yes to no. Yes and doubt there or not there, I have confusion. You write fully. No doubt to yes doubt to. No doubt, yes doubt. Shakti Shankar Sahu. Please repeat. Which part I have to repeat? If you unmute and ask, I will repeat. No doubt in the 100 times I will explain. But I should know where you have confusion. Please unmute.
Hello, sir.
Cheppam. Telugu Hindi first chep. Sahu and Hindi.
Yes, sir. I have doubt in that string allocation, but like in that ABC in that string in which and
Hey,
where
1 minute.
it's stored.
You are talking like Shah Rukh Khan.
Sorry, sir. Now I'm audible, right?
Take sentence as a sentence. Okay, don't middle break. Tell me which part.
That string H1 allocation.
This line. First, you tell me the line number.
First line.
First line. This line is doubt.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the doubt?
Like ABC is stored in S1 variable, right?
Did you miss the data type chapter?
No.
Open your data types notes.
Yes, sir.
Open class example.
Yeah.
In that I explain the memory diagram. Open.
Yeah, got it.
In that S1 variable memory diagram, what you have written?
I mean, 0, 0. I mean, in 0, 0 index, A will store, right?
And then why you are asking the same question? ABC stored in S1.
Right.
No, na?
Right. Yeah.
This is a string object.
Yes.
This is string class object. Object store data inside where? Char array.
So, sir, I have doubt in like CH1. In CH1, which value is stored while calling in S1.char A? So 0 A will store, right? Yeah. Okay, sir, got it.
What you got it?
Got it, sir.
What you got it? Tell me.
In CH1 variable, S1 of caret, like 0 in 0 index, whichever value is there, will store in CH1.
Okay, tell me why you understand now. I didn't explain.
Sorry, a little bit confused actually.
That's what Nana I'm asking. I didn't explain anything, but you only understood by yourself. How? You only said, okay, sir, got it. How did you get it? Before, why you didn't get it?
A little bit confusion that
Hey,
time.
why confusion? That's what I'm asking. Previously, no confusion. Now you don't have confusion. Why? Where is the difference? Previously, you close your mouth only using your ears. Eyes and ears. Okay? Now, you open your mouth and speaking. That's why your brain is working.
Yeah, got it.
Got it?
Yes.
That's
Thank
what I'm telling from the day beginning of the course. Speak. When you are speaking, your brain will be work. When you are only watching, listening, your brain is ideal. It will not work. Okay, next time, try to speak along with me. Okay, na?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
That's the reason I ask you unmute. Okay, done. Any other students? Yeah, exactly, correct. He hearing himself. When you don't speak, you don't understand. Again, I'm telling you, it's a maths. Maths you will understand only when you speak. Tell me, I want to read second character. What should I do? Char ch2 equal to s1 dot caret. Again, repeat one. क्या आता इधर? Second character आता. Control 1. Compile. Chalo, execute. B. Okay, na? Now, I am creating one more string. Confusing masters? Ready? This time I am taking only one character. One character index number is 0. Char ch3 equal to, which object I have to write? S2 dot caret of, what I write? 0. Okay, in place of A, I am writing, say H. Control 1. Compile. Control 2. H3, I didn't print, sorry. CH3, CH3. Control 1, compile. Control 2, execute. What output got? H. Understood? Still confusion? I want you read this character from the keyboard. I don't want hard code. Can you help me how to read from keyboard? Scanner SSEN equal to new scanner of system.in, and the scanner object I have to import java.util.scanner. Super. Then system.out.print of double quotes enter character. Okay, I entered. Take into character string. String s3 equal to scn dot next, then converted to character. Char ch4 equal to s3 dot s3 dot char at of one character contain where, which location? 0. Print system dot out dot println of double quotes ch4 colon plus ch4. Control 1. Compile. Control 2. Executed. Enter character M. Okay, na? Control 2. Enter character F. Okay. Control 1. I will enter male. Okay. Enter. Will it read? Will Java program read all characters? Mind వాడకుండా ఆన్సర్ చేశారు మడ్రే. Will Java program read all characters? What method you are using? Next method, read all characters and store it inside S3. S3 variable now contains what? All characters, male. Not directly, string object, char array object, MALE, everything is there. S1 pointing, string object pointing, char array. Brain వాడకుండా ఫ్లోర్ కన్సిడర్ చేయకుండా ఆన్సర్ చేయొద్దు. Without considering the flow, don't blindly answer. Tell me. Then your program reading. Supra, it is reading only 0 index character. It will go to there and reading only M and print only. Understand? Everyone. అర్థం కాదు మళ్ళీ చెప్తా. మళ్ళీ చెప్పేదా? అర్థమైందా? ఎవ్రీవన్ అండర్స్టాండ్? समझ में आया? आया ना? आ रहा है या? आ रहा है या? ఓకే, లైఫ్ లాంగ్ కమింగ్ ఓన్లీనా? ఏం రిపీట్ చేయాలరా నా బొందా? అరే అలా చూస్తూ ఉంటే అర్థం కాదురా బాబు. రిపీట్ రా బాయ్. ట్రై టు టెల్ ద డయాగ్రామ్. నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ రీడ్ వన్ క్యారెక్టర్ కంప్లీట్ గివెన్ వర్డ్. మహేష్, అరే I gave you unmute option to everyone. Check once. Online students, can you unmute yourself? Check once.
Sir, it reads one word, sir.
Okay, remaining people stop. People who have doubts, only reply. Remaining people don't reply. All people in mute. Whenever you want, you can unmute and you can ask. Okay? Look at here. Now here, enter character, but I am entering what? Male, complete word. Next method can read complete word. Yes. Then stored inside where? S3. But how much data you are reading? One character. Which character? 0 index. M is available where? 0. A is available in 1. L 2. E 3. Now it is reading which character? 0. 0 character coming and storing in M. As an output, what you will get? Only M. Still if you have doubts, ask. Online students. Awesome. Mahesh, Pingali Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Look at here. Can I make it shortcut? Now again I'm going. Next confusion, last confusion point. Okay? Can I make it shortcut? Observe. Char CH4 equal to what is S3, sir? S3. Type is string, but what it is pointing? SSCN dot next. In place of S3, can I directly write SSCN dot next? Yes. Wherever S3 is there I can write what? SSCN dot next. Now this line is replaced with what? Double quotes M. Now in place of that, here after S3 replacing, can I write dot caret method directly after here? అలా చూస్తూ ఉంటారేంట్రా? ఏదో చెప్సావండి. దేబ్రా స్మాల్ వేసుకుని కూర్చుంటారు. వస్తుందా రాదా నాకేం తెలుసు సార్. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిందంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా వస్తుంది కదా. What is S3? S3 is a string object. The string object contains written by whom now? Next. Now SCN dot next returns what? String object. Double quotes M. Dot caret. Caret method is going to this is string object and returns what? 0 index. What is 0 index object? M. Then this entire statement replaced with what? Single quote here. Tell me now. Suppose again the original statement, this is the program. At runtime, I am giving SCN dot next replace with male. Okay, this is a male. Now caret method read complete data na only first character, and return as what? Single quote M. So now you have two options. Write two separate statements or combined as a one statement. Which is recommended? Combined as one statement. Why unnecessary variable you create and store here? Time waste. So directly you take into method call and connect it to another method. This is called method call chaining. Tell me, can you hold? This is your hand. Can hold another person hand? Yes. Okay, na? Right. So first it is reading string object. From the string object, it returning what? Zero index character. Let us try to see the syntax will work or not. Compile and execute. What you are getting now? Mail. What it return? Complete mail or only M? Next method read mail. Caret method return M only. Okay. Control to what you write now? Female. Next method reading complete characters female, but caret method returns only F. Okay, na intikala sadukoni malla okasari. After going back to the room, please try to read it once again, understand again. Okay, I will upload this program as it is. Okay. I am not Gajini. I am not Gajini. SD class upload చేయలేదు అయితే ఏంటి అయితే ఏంట్రా yesterday class I have not uploaded, so what not understand. What not understand? After uploading, what will you understand? Whatever dictated notes, same slides I will upload, nothing more. All are written notes, no? Which diagram? Scanner diagram written, no? Hey. Buffer reader diagram, that is the past. Future, tomorrow, today class, what I am using? Scanner. Scanner complete details I gave you, no? Now then, my wish. నాకు నచ్చితే అప్లోడ్ చేస్తా లేకపోతే చేయను నా క్లాసు నా ఇష్టం ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు ఇఫ్ ఐ అప్లోడ్ ద పాస్ట్ నోట్స్ వాట్ యు డు నో యూ విల్ వర్క్ ఆన్ పాస్ట్ మరి టుడే క్లాస్ హూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ yesterday I didn't upload the notes, that's why you studied the notes and practice the program. If I have uploaded yesterday material, what would you do? Open buffer reader memory diagram. Endukura niku buffer reader memory diagram? All you understand na? Yeah, so I know when to upload, I will upload. Silently follow what I am doing. Okay. Write down. Continuation. Gender. What I should write now here? Tell me. Come on, tell me. SSEN dot. Next dot caret of 0. అర్థమైందా actually I am too busy for this week. After class I didn't find the free time for upload, and afternoon also I didn't find the free time to upload. Okay, there are so many slides are there. Among them I need to upload only the slides what you required to you. Okay, so and explanation slides, point by point explanation slides all not required. Main point you required. So I need to sort out and upload, not finding the free time. Okay, I'll upload today. Today no, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll upload complete chapter. Sunday Bavers no. Sunday revise. So tell me, is it returning complete word or only 0 character? Read it. Write down here. Write down. Comment down. Reads complete word. Reads complete word. Who? Next in. Dot caret returns only which character? First in bracket 0 index character from this string. This is called method call chaining. Shiva movie, you know? Chain batch. Next, system dot out dot print of What I should read finally? Enter study in bracket. What do you want to write? Yes or no, no, true, false? True or false? I have to write S1 dot studying equals to SCN dot next boolean. Ammaya. Tell me, look at your code, point by point, try to answer. What is the first statement you are running? If you run this code, first statement what running? Java college. Correct? When I run Java college, what happened? First step, what he created? Scanner object create. So now this is SCN variable created. Scanner object is created. Online students, can you see board? Scanner object is created. Yeah, don't use mic, buddy. Only use chat window. Reference is 1010. 1010 stored here, point. Then next, what you created? Student object. S1 variable created equals to student object created with how many variables? 7 variables, na? SNO, SName, course, fee, email, mobile, gender, study. Don't write, please watch. Understand what you have written code. What is our requirement of this program? Just I am trying to visualize as diagram. And now 2020 stored in S1 variable pointing. These are first two statements. Everyone understand? Now, then next what is written? Enter console. This is your console. This is console. To the console, already scanner object is connected, na? With which object? System.in. Data traveling, coming here. Okay, step by step, tell me. First step, what is written? Enter. Enter SNO. I'm entering SNO 101, press enter. Now 101 is traveled, came to the scanner object, 101 stored in the SNO variable. Am I right? It's traveling via here, coming to scanner object. Check once, what written? S1 dot SNO equal to SCN dot next int. What the meaning of SCN dot next int? This 101 is going into scanner object into system dot in into scanner object. From the scanner object, because of SCN dot next XXX methods, data is storing in the student object. Under diagram అర్థమైందా? Background execution flow. Now tell me. Next, what statement you have written? 1 second. Next int method reading only 101 and return and stored. Still you have here what? Enter key characters. If then next message what you have written? Enter yes name colon. Program execution reading purpose what you have written? SCN dot next line. SCN dot next line method looking into scanner object. In scanner object already line there na. Will program pass or not passed? Not passed. Then go to next course reading purpose. You want read course email? Sorry, you want read course name? Name. For reading name purpose, what I have to write? Empty SCN dot next. Here in between what I written? SCN dot next line. Because of this SCN dot next line method, this line is red and make the scanner object empty. Okay, I'm removing this. Then next program execution is passed. Enter yes name. Now program execution is now passed. Then now I am entering my name HariKrishna with space separator. Okay. Then now press enter key. When you enter, now this HariKrishna is moving into the system.in, came toward scanner object. Can I write shortcut here? HK enter key. Now, what is the method you have used for reading data? Next line. Next line means what is what? Complete line. Complete line including enter key also, na? Right. Complete data is reading. Here I have written 2 strike marks. Here I have written 1 strike mark. What is the meaning of 1 strike mark? Complete data at a time reading and storing here H space Krishna. Enter key there or not there? Not there. Understanding? Every minute once I complete my explanation, I am saying understand or not. Okay. If you speak along with me, everything will be clear. If you only watching, finally become watchman. Watch woman also. Okay. Next, very dangerous story coming. Enter course. Tell me. Enter course. You call enter course by using which method? SCN dot next line. SCN dot next line looking into scanner object. In the scanner object, next line is there any data available? No. Here I am writing the method calls also. SCN dot next int. Okay. And also called SCN dot SCN dot next line. Did you assign to any variable? No. Then next you have written what? SCN dot next line. Next line you have written assigned to whom now? This one. So this is SCN dot next line middle you are calling for only reading this extra line. That's it. Clear my point? Now next point. You call one more SCN dot next line for reading and storing what? Course. Tell me SCN dot next line looking into scanner object, no data available. Then execution is passed. Now we are entering the data what? Core Java. No core Java. Full stack Java. Core Java Jamana completed. What is that? Full stack Java. Okay. Full stack Java. Here how many spaces are there? 3. This full stack Java coming through system.in and come to the scanner object. What is stored here? Full stack Java, including enter key character. Then next line method reading complete line or leaving enter key? Complete line and storing here. What do you call? Full stack Java. Any doubts? Clear? Next story danger, Babudi. Come on, tell me. Next statement what? Enter fee colon. Which method I have to call? SCN dot next double. Next double method searching for what data? Double data. Inside scanner object double data available? No. Empty. Program execution is passed. I have entered. What is the full stack Java fees? 20,000. 20,000. Full stack Java fees 20,000. What is the outside fees? 30,000, 35,000, 50,000, 70,000, 1 lakh, 1,50,000 above, based on the institute. Okay. 20,000. Now 20,000 is coming via system and stored here. Very important. Observe 20,000 with enter key character. Na? Now next double method read complete data. Na? Only 20,000. Only 20,000. Enter key characters are still available. 20,000.0. Okay, understood? Pakka? Still enter key characters are there. Still line is there. Still line is there. Then it is reading and storing here. Next, SSC and sorry. Next, what message you printed? Enter email. Enter email. Email you are reading by using which method? Next. When you call next method is looking in the scanner object for line or for word, for a string. Line is there. Line is I don't read. Then it is ignored. Understand my point? Who is ignoring? Next method. Next method looking into scanner object. Line is there. I don't want that. Now ignored. Going to a pass. Then we are entering email. Java HariKrishna @gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com you enter. Then now this entire word, it is a word. Entire word is coming and stored here. What is stored? jhk@gmail.com. Next line, next method reading it. Hello, here what is there? Enter key character. Now here jhk@gmail.com stored. Any doubts? Clear? Tell me now. Next, you have printed what? Next line. Enter mobile. Enter mobile. Now you call what method? SCN dot next long. Next long. Next long method meant for reading what data? Long data. Long data. Then next line long method looking into scanner object. In the scanner object, long data is there or not there? Not there. What is available? Enter key character. Enter key characters are ignored. Program execution is passed and entering 9010454584. Press enter. Press enter. Now it is coming into system.in, coming into scanner object. Now here 9010454584, enter key character. Now next long method read complete data. Now only number. Only number. Now that number is stored here 9010454584. Still in the scanner object, what is there? Enter key characters are available. Okay. Then now it is storing here. Next message, what is displayed? Enter gender. Now I have entered M only because program asking enter only M na. So enter only M, enter key. Now this M enter key coming here, very danger. M enter key. Now tell me, what is the method you have called here? SCN dot next method. Now the next method looking into scanner object. Tell me, scanner object. Yeah. Next method looking into scanner object. What is the data available? M. It is reading that M as a double quotes M, isn't it? Next method return M as what? Double quotes M. You want to store a double quotes M or single quote M? Single quote M. Then what you write? Dot caret of 0. Now caret method takes this M, returns as what? Single quote M. Let me write directly. This is converted as single quote M and it is stored inside. Is it clear? Now this M read and return, still enter key characters are available. Up to now all the people are comfortable? What next? You call enter studying. Now I have entered, still I am studying, true. Okay, true. Then true enter key characters are coming here. And what is stored here? True enter key characters. Enter key characters. Now, what is the method you have used for reading? SCN dot next boolean. Okay, next boolean method reading the boolean value true. Is enter key character reading or leaving? Leaving. Then now true is coming and stored here. Okay. So next, that's all. Up to here you have written the program. Tell me now, in the scanner object, still you have data line is there, na? That line is still remaining. Suppose if you call SCN dot next line method, program execution passed or not passed? Not passed. Let me show you that. ఈ యొక్క program దయచేసి run as it is as I shown on the diagram. Okay na? So if you don't practice like this flow diagram, then next classes will be difficult for you. Okay. Now observe. Here I am calling SCN dot next line. Save it. Now let me save this program. College.java control1 compile. Illegal start of expression 48. Control1 compile control. Enter first number. Program execution passed because of 101. I will share none. 100% I will share it. Now only I will only take photo with my mobile. My mobile is very powerful mobile. Okay, 50 plus 50 GB or 50 pixel. So enter first number because of where is this fellow? Because of next in program execution pass, press enter. 101 stored inside SNO. Because of this next line method, enter key characters are removed, line is removed, and make the scanner object empty. And because of this second next line method, program execution is passed. This because of the second line method, program execution passed. I am giving H space K. Okay, then press enter. Now that next line reading the HK stored in S name. Because of third next line method, program execution is passed. Full stack Java. Enter. Reading data, program execution passed because of next double 20,000. Program execution passed because of next Java HariKrishna@gmail.com. Next, because of next method call, program execution passed. M caret method reading the double quotes A read converted to character and return. Again I have to type it. You must tell me before only, no? You told her, but I am not listening. Okay. So it's my mistake. Okay. Uh, 9010454584. Enter male or female M. And then next studying true. After pressing enter, here we have next boolean reading this true, store in this variable. Further I call next line. Program execution passed or not passed? Not passed. Completed. Why it is not passed? Because reading the left enter key there. Okay. Now suppose if I call here next. Now program execution passed? Yes. Because it doesn't consider the data. Where is the mistake? Oh, this extra ls convolution. Flow, program flow understanding is very important, sir. Writing program, copy program is not just sufficient. Edo data. Look at that. Program execution is now passed and blinking because of which method call? Next. So these experiments you have to do. We can do this experiment and you can answer any question only when you are good at diagram flow. Okay, na? Fine. So now next continuation, what I have to do? I should print all the values. Okay. Now you entered. What you in? Student number, student name, course, fee, email, mobile, gender, study. Now can you write at least this code by your own? All these values must be coming here. Right. Continuation. Sir, program ni, this program, this much I never explained. Okay, na? So your batch is somehow getting more explanation. System dot. Don't tell to your seniors, they will scold me. Why you didn't explain in my class? Double quotes. So we will maintain the same interest of learning till end of the course. Okay. In the middle, when course completed, sir. Enter. Sorry, you have entered. Now what is that? Student number /t/t plus s1.snO. Name. Rasnara chusnara. Writing or watching? All are written. Printing also. Course. Fee. I am very much happy the way our course is going here. So how much you are happy, I don't know. I am fully satisfied. Hey, course place are written. One not one. Okay. So here you can adjust /t's properly. You get proper. Tell me, is this program only for reading? One student or any student? Any student. Now go back to our project. Now look at here. This is the project we are planned to develop. Finally, we developed it. Student, click on the student, then click on store. The form is open. Form is open, na? SNO, enter SNO, 101, enter S name, HK, enter course, CJ, enter fee, 1000. Click submit, enter key. All values are going on storing in student class object. Currently, we are not storing the database. We are written printing. So once you have the data in your object, further if you want to store in the database, here I need the database connection logic that we are learning in advanced Java, advanced JDBC. There you will learn that point. Okay. So as a core Java faculty, it is my responsibility to show you how to read data from the keyboard and store inside the program. And advanced Java faculty will teach you how to store the data inside database. Clear my point? So will you practice? One example I told. What next you do? Practice only this example. I'll leave it. No, you have to further practice. Which example? Next, employee. We have employee program, same variables, na? Course SNO place, ENO, E-name. Course place, department. Salary, fees place, salary. Email, mobile, gender. Next, studying place, working. Can you try? Next, bank account. Next example, bank account. Already 6 variables available, enough. Extra variables not required. For those 6 variables only, read data and store. Will you try these examples? Nice. So we have completed the first part of our learning process. If you want to build the logic, totally how many steps are there? 4. Read and store data, perform validations and calculations, control flow of the execution through exception. The first level we have successfully completed, reading and storing data, either as a mathematical values or as an object values. Both I have completed. Mathematical approach, object oriented approach I have completed. Then next we have to go for what? Validations. Okay, observe here. This is the syllabus we are following. Am I going? Open. Am I following all points or not? Some points I have shared the videos. Some topics I am covering in the class. Let's see now quickly. Introduction to Java. History, features, different application. When to use Java, when to use Python, when to use C. Some part I have explained and some part I shared videos. Shared? Not shared? 1 second. I will share now only. Let me update Google Classroom. Amma? 1 second, 1 second. Introduction to Java. Open this. Open your page, first page, notes, first page. Open your notes, first page. Write down this carefully by seeing here. Don't show your talent. HTTPS. Write down carefully, neatly, as it is how I am typing. HTTPS : HTTPS : // which side? // not // bit.ly. L, this is L, not 1. bit.ly / HK notes. HK notes. Okay na? Open browser. Mobile open kar. Type as it is in the browser. Type as it is in the browser. Paste. / you have to type, not /. When you press it, it will ask your Gmail account to open. Select your favorite Gmail account. It will open Google Drive. Opened? Network slow na? Mobile opened now? Listen, there is an option here. Grid view will be shown like this. Grid view it will show. Change it to list view. Click on these 4 boxes and change it to list view. In mobile, change it to list view. Change it. First folder name read. Core Java by HariKrishna. Next. Core Java by others. Next. Practice material. Next. Java history documents. Next. Collections. Next. Projects. Next. RRV. Reading runtime values chapter. Whatever the programs I explained, all programs are already available here. Next. Initial classes videos.txt. YouTube videos.txt. Path notes. Escape sequence characters. Blah blah blah. So many are there. Now open first video. Initial classes videos.txt. Open the file. Initial classes videos.txt. How many videos are there? 18 videos. Found? These are the first chapter, 18 days. This one, Introduction to Java, Gmail and MVC architecture, Java editions, different terminology and used in programming language, platform dependency, platform independency, C++ platform dependent, importance facts on Java program, difference between JDK, JRE, JVM, JIT, installing JDK, programming elements, hello world application, compilation execution procedure, compiler and JVM activities, basic JVM architecture, more practice programs, escape sequence characters, 200 entry questions, compiler, JVM, source file, class entry questions. Okay, na? Right? All these are available in these 18 videos. This is our first chapter. I am sharing all videos here. So already you learned, just for revision sake. Already you have learned everything just for revision sake. In your future, if you want to do any topic revision while revising the notes, if you don't understand something, want revise, you can follow this. Everyone comfortable at this point? Next, look at here, please. Comments and Java tokens, we learn. Working with edit plus, we learn. Language fundamentals, we learn. Data types, variables, array and class object, we learn. Literals, we learn. Types of literals, Java 7 new feature pending, we will learn coming classes. Type conversion, we will learn. Character set, ASCII character set, already we have got some idea. Then next we discussed reading runtime values from the keyboard. Sample project, just now we completed student project, remaining projects you have to complete. Okay, na? Now we have completed Java fundamentals unit 1 with 28 topics, everything we have learned thoroughly, detailed with memory diagrams, compiler JVM and entry questions, everything we completed. Now we have to enter it into logical programming. As part of logical programming, first we have to learn operators, then control flow statements, arrays, and then algorithms. Okay, right. So listen carefully. Tomorrow we are going to learn operators. Complete list of operators. How many are there? 40. 40 operators are there. What the purpose of those operators? And sample programs we are going to learn on operators. After operators completed, control flow statements. So this week, by end of next week, full-fledged logical programming understanding everyone should have. Is it clear? Tomorrow will you miss the class? Because of today Mahashivratri, students are stop coming. Today night Jagaram you will do, praying the Shiva, Lord Shiva. Then tomorrow also you won't come. Saturday, Sunday onwards, Monday onwards, you won't understand one class also. Okay, na? Who has to do Shivratri, Puja, Vratal? Parents has to do, not you. What is your Puja, Vratam, praying? Java. Understood? Java is your God. Okay? Now, let me tell you my thing. I will pray my God, but whenever this kind of pujas all he has to do, my wife will do. I don't do. Because I am doing Java puja, na? My job is doing Java puja, that's it. So, today actually there was a puja in the house, but I am not participating because I have to take care of you. You have to take care of yourself. So, night don't do any Jagaralu, nothing. I know how you do Jagaram also. Huh? You have to participate, praying the God, but you don't pray the God. You will watch movies and then time pass. So don't miss tomorrow class. If you miss tomorrow class, you are going to face so many problems in tomorrow class. Okay? Thank you. I will share this diagram. Hello. I will share this diagram and project this code both. Please try to copy this diagram into your notes. Okay? Thank you. Okay.
int. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ఇది output వచ్చింది. మళ్ళీ అది రివర్స్ 098 ఇది by using int data. సో మళ్ళీ నార్మల్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఇట్లా వచ్చింది సార్. మెయిన్ జావా యూజింగ్ ఇన్పుట్ స్ట్రీమ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్.
Input mismatch exception. For the input string. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇస్తున్నారు? దేనికి వెళ్తున్నది? మొబైల్ నంబర్. ఎక్సీడింగ్ లాంగ్ నంబరా? కాదు కదా.
మొబైల్ నెంబర్లో 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 ఇచ్చిన తీసుకుని మళ్ళీ రివర్స్ ఇచ్చిన.
ఓకే, 0 ఇస్తే దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే తీసుకుంది ఇక్కడ.
అసెండింగ్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ 1 2 0 2 1 ఇచ్చిన. బట్ ఇది నెంబర్స్ ఇస్తే డిఫరెంట్ ఇస్తే ఇట్లా వచ్చింది. ఇన్పుట్స్ అన్ని
ఇక్కడ ఏంటది? స్టూడియో మొబైల్ నంబరు కాదండి. ఇక్కడేమి ఇచ్చారు? ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు. కరెక్టే కదా నంబరు. ఇది వేరే దానికి ఏదో ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది దానికి. అది ఇక్కడ చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏం రాశారు? యు ఆర్ కాలింగ్ ద నాట్ నెక్స్ట్ లాంగ్, యు ఆర్ రీడింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్ ఎక్సీడింగ్ నంబర్ కదా అది, అందుకనే ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది. మీరు ఈ మొబైల్ నంబర్ని దేంతో రీడ్ చేస్తున్నారు? మెథడ్ వేరియంట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్ తో రీడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్సీడింగ్ ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్, అందుకనే ఎక్సెప్షన్ వచ్చింది. మొబైల్ నంబర్ దేంతో రీడ్ చేయాలి? నెక్స్ట్ లాంగ్ తో కదా. ఓకేనా? తీసుకుంటుంది. అక్కడ మీరు కండిషన్ రాయాలి. అదే నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్. కండిషన్ రాయాలి. ఇది అదర్ దాన్ ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ ఎర్రర్ త్రో చేసి ఎం అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఓన్లీ డిస్ప్లే అని చెప్పాలి. అలా చెప్పాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? మన నెక్స్ట్ కంట్రోల్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్స్, ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ కండిషన్స్ తెలియాలి. ఆ కండిషన్ ఎలా రాయాలో తెలియాలి. కండిషన్ అంటే వ్యాలిడేషన్. వ్యాలిడేషన్ ఎక్కడ రాస్తాం? ఆపరేటర్స్. సో ఆపరేటర్స్ కంట్రోల్ ఫ్లో స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అయితే అది మీరు రాయగలుగుతారు. అది నెక్స్ట్ వీక్లో నేర్చుకోండి. రేపటి నుంచి మొదలు పెడతాం. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఎక్స్ట్రా నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ రాయాలి కదా. నువ్వు నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ రాసిన ప్రతిసారి దాని ముందు ఇంకో నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ రాయాలా? అప్పుడు ఎక్స్ట్రా మెథడ్ కాల్స్ అవుతున్నాయిగా, ఎందుకు అనవసరంగా? అందుకని రాయటం.
నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ 20,000 దగ్గర నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ ఉంది. అక్కడ మొత్తం రీడ్ చేసేసి ఎంటర్ కీ కూడా రీడ్ చేసేసి నెక్స్ట్ డబుల్ వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ డబుల్ నెంబరే రీడ్ చేసింది. ఎంటర్ కీ క్యారెక్టర్ రీడ్ చేయదు. కింద కూడా మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ ఇచ్చాను. అప్పుడు క్యారెక్టర్ ఏమో
ఎంటర్ కీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇగ్నోర్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ మెంట్ ఫర్ రీడింగ్ లైన్. ఎంటర్ కీ క్యారెక్టర్ అంటే లైన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ మెంట్ ఫర్ రీడింగ్ లైన్. అది ఇగ్నోర్ చేసుకొని ప్రోగ్రామ్ పాస్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ ఉంటేనే లైన్ రీడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఇంకా ఏ నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్స్ కాల్ చేసినా లైన్ రీడ్ చేయదు. ఓకేనా? స్టార్ట్ విత్ 0. స్టార్ట్ విత్ 0 ఈజ్ ఆక్టల్ నంబర్. స్టార్ట్ విత్ 1 ఈజ్ డెసిమల్ నంబర్. లిటరల్ చాప్టర్లో నేర్పిస్తారు. చెప్పండి. ఇదండి ఉంటుందండి. క్లాస్కి వచ్చేయాలి. రేపు క్లాస్ మిస్ అయితే ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ మనం ప్రేయర్ చేసుకుందాం. ఈ ఇయర్కి వదిలేసేయండి. మామూలు దండం పెట్టేసుకుని నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ చేస్తాను స్వామి అని దండం పెట్టేసుకుంటాం. సరేనా? ఇక్కడ కూర్చోబెట్టి క్లాస్కి వచ్చేదా? ఓకే. హాయ్ బాబు, ఏం చదువుతున్నావు?
We are entering from the mobile number. Then if you use the suffix,
Enter?
suffix.
No. When you are entering from the keyboard, you should not suffix with L. That suffix with L, already you told us next long. When I say next long, already implicitly L will be there. You no need to write. When you are typing by yourself, L must write. When you are passing from the keyboard, L should not give. Okay, na? Yeah. 1 minute, buddy. Online students. Can you please update the notes of real time? Yeah, I will update now. Lakshmi. Yeah, please unmute and ask. What's your doubt? Can you unmute, Lakshmi?
Hello, sir.
Chepam.
Sir, why there is no direct method for reading character from the keyboard? Why we have to store string, then access first character from the index?
Because in string object, data already storing the character format, na?
Oh, sir.
In string object, already implicitly char array is there, right?
Yes, sir.
If you send ABC from the keyboard as a string, it is already storing as what? ABC characters.
Yes, sir.
Already converted, na? Then
Sir.
again, why you need to convert?
Okay.
Understand?
Sir,
Sir?
direct like next char, next int is there, next double is there.
That's what I'm
Why
saying.
you do?
Suppose if you give 101 from the keyboard, you as a int you want read complete 101, na?
Yes, sir.
If you send true next boolean, you want read complete data as a boolean, right?
Yes, sir.
When you enter mail, you want read character. Which character?
Yum only.
How I know?
Because I am a user, I want only yum.
That's what I'm saying. That is whose requirement? Programmer requirement. As a Sun
Yes, sir.
Microsystem, how do I know that you want only M? Maybe M you want, maybe A you want, maybe L you want, maybe E you want. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So that's why what Sun Microsystem told, Are bhai, I will give you this complete data to your program. Then you retrieve which index character you want to your program.
Okay, sir.
There is no direct method. If you give direct method, what is the problem? This entire data will become as a character, not possible. Suppose double quotes A, okay? Then if you enter only double quotes A, it can written as a single quote A. If you return double quotes A, B, C, then how can you return A, B, C as a character? Possible or not possible?
Not possible.
Not possible. So what's Sun Microsystem telling? I will give you this entire string to your program. From this string, which character you want, use that, read that character by using the method called what? Caret. This is the agreement.
Yes,
Suppose you went to the supermarket. I said, go to supermarket, bring. What to bring? I should tell, na, biscuit bring, chocolate you bring, or sugar you bring. The particular item name I have to tell, right? For example, you are a supplier. Now, what do you supply? I no need to tell. Sugar items only will supply. Extra, I no need to tell. Extra, I no need to do. That's what next int. When you call next int method, whatever the data you entered, complete number it will return to our program. That's why other next methods are there. Next char method is not there. Clear?
Yes, sir. No, got clear, sir. Sir, in future class, will you tell about that system related to system class in error out?
Yes, I will.
Detail.
In IvoStream chapter, I'll explain.
Sir, because yesterday I was absent, my health was not good. I didn't understand scanner class, sir, completely. Is there any notes?
What is your doubt?
Sir, I understood buffered reader, sir. There is a buffer reader object, the streams coming in input. But for
Buffer reader
scanner,
replace, buffer reader replace scanner came. That's it. Just shortcut of buffer reader, nothing more. However,
Okay,
you
sir.
understand buffer reader, same points are there for scanner. Buffer reader you have to call parse, parse int, parse double, parse float. Instead of parse method, you are calling directly next method. Parse place, next coming. That's it. Shortcut. Scanner is the shortcut way of buffer reader reading.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bhagavan. What you are typing there?
Sir, there was mistake in
It dot, what you have to write, man? Not comma, dot.
dot, but I have written dot. Still, I am not.
Hey, that is not dot, that is comma.
Yes, sir. That's comma. I understand, but
Open na. This is, look at that. With the dot open, right?
let me
Use
try
it.
once again.
Use that. Dot. Okay, guys. Thank you. That's all for today class. You use dot. I shared the link already.